Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add crypto to Coinbase Wallet. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to add the crypto, tap onto this option at the bottom right here. Then here you can find add crypto to your wallet. Now simply tap on it. Then here you can find receive crypto, transfer from Coinbase. Now choose one of these. After that, tap onto the QR code of one of the cryptocurrency just like this. Now, after scanning this QR code, the person can simply send the crypto to Coinbase Wallet. And that's it. This is how you can add the crypto to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.